All right, good morning, everyone. Tony Laporta here with TonyLaporta.com. Anyhow, go figure. I kind of wanted to be short the treasuries. One, because the bonds closed almost 2 full points higher yesterday. And two, I fancied some sort of midweek shuffle, higher prices in the stock market. And we're getting the stock market higher, and the bonds are sitting here 0.2 bid at 3. I bought them a couple of times at 00 and 31 and didn't cover at all nearly what I was short. Sold them back out at 01 and 02. And I'm still short basically 20 again. With the scale in, now 00 down. So I don't know what's going to happen. I can't figure out why this bond market doesn't want to come off, but it doesn't want to come off. So below 00, I just may get them all in and say the hell with this trade, and just sit here and wait. It's like I told them in the room this morning. If these indices, and I'm anticipating them going higher still this morning, if these indices go up and close on or near their highs for the day today, I'm going home short the indices. And if that's the case, we see a 70 handle here, I would think these bonds are going to come off a little bit, and I'll be able to get these bonds back for a small profit or any kind of profit. I'm not going to venture off my scale yet. I'm still thinking the treasuries could trade their pivots, even though they surely don't want to come off. But if they do come off, I will start covering all the way down, and then I'm going to be looking at buying the notes from the pivot 07 down. So look to be a scale down buyer of the treasury notes below their pivot 07. And if the indices go out on their highs today, I'll go home short those. So I'll basically be long the notes, short the indices. It will be the same trade. But then, as we've seen this week, is it the same trade? There have been times where this past couple of weeks, stocks go up and treasuries go up. So that's what's made trading difficult. The S&Ps, as I'm chatting, are 5.5 bid at 5 3/4, trading right on new intraday highs, and the bond goes 3 bid. So I'm a little bit nervous about that bond bid, but like what happened yesterday, the market, the S&P market was telling us that it's going to go higher because the bonds in the end were telling us it should go lower, but it wasn't going lower, and then it did. So I'm still thinking that we could get some sort of push lower here in these bonds. If not, I take my loss and we move on. So that's about all I have. Manage your own risk if you're short the bonds with me, or if you got the spread on. It is what it is. I've had better trades, and like I explained to people in the room, when I was on a roll, I wrote about the picture. I wrote the story before the story happened. Now I'm watching the story and reacting to it. So, and at the moment, the story's a little bit difficult. So I'm trying my best. That's all I have. Cheers.